So you're with our Manager Lite plan and you'd like to take things to the next level. By upgrading to the Manager Pro, you will unlock Pay with Product and Direct Campaigns. A direct campaign will allow you to search for an influencer using complex search filters through the Discover tab and invite them directly to your campaign. By upgrading to the Manager Enterprise, you will also unlock statistics and market insights. Clicking on the Upgrade tab will take you to our upgrade screen, where you can clearly see which plans we have available and which ones you can upgrade to. By clicking on the button underneath the plan, you can upgrade immediately to the selected plan. Manager Enterprise, as it's a custom monthly fee, will require you to get in touch with us and give us some specifics of what you'd like, and we'll build you a custom plan.